We got arms. We're gonna start it off, some chins. But we'll get some legs in there too, and abs. So we're gonna keep the knees up, and we're gonna do chin-ups. So, you want to we ain't working too much on the back today. I want to get them arms. Big biceps today, and forearms. Grab the bar. Below the clavicle, where the chest is. We're gonna keep the legs up, knees up, preferably. And we're gonna gauge the core, and we get the legs because you have to hold the legs. Get them hip flexors. So we're gonna get in close as possible. That's what we want to hit today. Close, and we're gonna pull with it. And like so, now we're gonna do about 7 to 10. Stay with that number. That's a good number to be efficient. Get this workout in, to get this exercise in. Gauge that core, get them biceps in. Hit that light, man. Let's get it. Feels good. Wait about 45 seconds to a minute, then you'll go again. Now you'll feel a little bit of that back. It's gonna be in there. But to be able to get that mind and muscle connection, that you wanna be able to get the biceps more. So if I would say percentage wise, you wanna try to get at least 80% of that bicep, about 20% of that back. You can't eliminate it. But get your mind together, connect with them arms, and pull with them biceps. It's all about mind with calisthenics. Working a lot of muscles, but sometimes you want to be able to pinpoint where you want to work to see that muscle grow. So we want big arms today. Strong. That's what we want. Big arms. About 10 more seconds, we're going to go again. Hit that like for me, man. If we making sense, give me that like. We're going to do some things today. We're having some fun. Let's go again. 95, 96 degrees here in the springtime. And humidity is up. So it's helping with your breathing. Breathe through it. Get your work done. Get your work, man. Right, man. Instead of being so comfortable in the gym, go on a little bit of rant today. It's okay. Sometimes get out of that gym and that comfortability that's on top of you. You get that central air in there. It babies you after a while. It makes you comfortable. So get outside and get some work in. Become versatile. All it's going to do is going to improve your cardio, improve your breathing, improve your mental, and create muscles that you never thought they were there before. These preaching. We'll get one more set. And we're going to do 3 total, but after this step, we're going to get into that word today. I got a scripture for you. Make sure y'all rocking with me, man. Let me make sure y'all can see me. Hit that like. Hit that like as y'all rocking with me, man. I ain't got nobody with me today, but I do got my moderator home doing what they got to do. So we looking good. Hit that like, man. Hit that like if y'all rocking with me. Hit that like, man. Hit that like if you rocking with me, man. Because we've been doing this a while. We ain't going nowhere. Hit that like if you rocking with me, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Because a lot of places you could have been. You chose to hit my link. So the verse of the day, we're gonna get to the verse of the day. Comes from verse of the day. By the end of the day, God finished. what he had been doing and stopped working by the seventh day. Remember that. He blessed the seventh day and set it apart as a special day, because that's the day he had completed his creation and stopped working. Wonderful scripture. Meaning, it took God time to create what we have. Who would think, if he God, why it took him time? Why couldn't he just blink and everything would be here at one time? Or why did he want to rest on the seventh day? Isn't he almighty? And he God, he don't get tired. So be smart. See, I believe that God had instances, stories that he put in the Bible, and certain things that he put in words to make us think. Not that he's not almighty or to look at things one way. When I read that Bible verse, I don't see those things that some people are smart about it. I see that it's a metaphor for how we should live our life. Meaning that we're supposed to work, but understand that he gave us his body for us to rest at times. For us to look at what we've done, analyze, get good at the things that you were good at, and get rid of some of the things that you were bad at. Get rid of the next 7 days and progress to live the life that you're supposed to do and be in this life that we call, in this world that we want to save. That's how I see when I read that. Now, I'm supposed to continue to work all the time, but enjoy the time that you're working and rest when needed. That's how I read that. He's almighty. He built this because he could have done this in the blink of an eye and be like, oh, it's done. But he chose that mindset that we're supposed to resemble what he did. Work, and rest. Think of it that way.